Alright, it's a little smoky as you can see, but I think it's good. Yeah! Really smoky though. Now I just gotta adjust the fuel air mixture, but it works. So what I did, I had to wire in a new coil. Oh, where is it? I had to wire in a new coil. The old one was bad, and I put a fresh spark plug. Took a couple of tries and it fired right up. So I just have it on charge now. Let it go for 15 or 20 minutes, and then I can start putting the body panels back onto it, put the muffler back on, take it outside for a little spin. All right, there it is in all its glory. Front tire's flat, but gonna take it for its first maiden voyage this year. See how it runs. Let's go. Turn the fuel on.
And I'm feeling